Hey. All right. About to fix some chicken and waffles. And we had some waffles the other day at this restaurant and they had cornmeal in it. So I'm going to try to make some cornmeal waffles with some chicken. My chicken, little chicken wings, party wings. So that's what we're going to be doing today. All right. So let's get started. Here's my chicken. All right. I'm going to season the chicken just with regular seasonings. Use some seasoning salt. And I'm not putting too much, just enough. A little oregano. Garlic powder. I love garlic. You can never use too much garlic, but I think that's enough. All right, let me get some black pepper. Have some black pepper. All right, now get on my gloves and mix this all around. There's the seasonings. Uh-oh. I'm gonna add a little more seasoning salt. Just a little. And a little more garlic powder. Hey, I'm cooking for real up in here. Okay. A little more garlic powder. Mix that all up. Hope everybody's having a great Saturday. All right, that'll do it. There's our chicken. It's all nice and seasoned with basic seasonings, seasoned salt, garlic powder, black pepper, and oregano. Here it is again. Okay, I'm gonna season my flour. I'm being lazy. I put it in this paper plate. I'm using this new fryer today. I've had it forever, but we cleaned out cabinets and stuff. And I said, you know what? I need to use this. So I'll pull this out and I'm gonna be using this new fryer today. I'm gonna season my flour with some of this is my personal seasoning. Hopefully it'll be on my website again soon. But I'm gonna season my flour. Always season your flour and your chicken. Well, that's what I do because you want it to taste good, okay? So I'm gonna use this seasoning. All right. Let me get another glove on and mix it all around. You don't want it to be too salty. And this seasoning that I'm using in this flour is not salty at all, but it has a wonderful taste. A wonderful taste. Okay. Ooh, messy. Got my flour all seasoned. All right, I just poured all that flour in here on my chicken. Just season it. Not season it, but floured it like that. Get it all nice and coated. All right, these are gonna be the waffles and I'll put some cornmeal in them, okay? So I use 1 cup of buttermilk complete pancake mix. I use 1/4 cup of cornmeal, 3/4 cup of water, and a half of 1/3 of oil, if I'm saying that right. Just give it a stir. Stir until it's nice and smooth. Now we're gonna put this to the side while we fry our chicken. All right, we're gonna drop our chicken in. I'm gonna use both baskets since they say don't crowd the baskets because you know, you don't get that nice crispy coating. We're gonna shake off the excess flour. See, it's all nice and coated. All right, get these in here. Let those cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. And I'm going to go preheat my waffle iron while these are cooking. While our waffle iron is heating up and our chicken is frying, I'm going to take some syrup. And I'm going to warm the syrup and I'm going to put some butter in it. My Aunt Jeannie used to do this all the time. And oh my God, I thought it tasted so good. That's a lot of syrup, but it's enough for me and my husband. All right, add our butter to our syrup and just beat it around until it's nice and dissolved. Butter is dissolved. So I'm going to add just a little shake of cinnamon. Just a little. Mix that in. Oh, Lord, I'm spilling stuff. It's cooking on the waffle iron. Cooking for real. I want to taste this. Oh my God, that's yummy. I turned the skillet on for my husband's eggs. And I'm gonna go ahead and fill my waffle things up. Ooh, I spilled some, but that's okay. That chicken is looking so good. All right, I spilled that, but that's okay. All right, we're gonna let those cook. Our chicken is ready. That looks good, nice and crispy. OMG. The eggs are cooking. Put it on a plate. Oh yeah. Look how nice and crispy that is. Wow. Wowzer. Oh, got this one. Ooh, at all that crust on there. Yum. You see? All right. Oh, those look good. Yay. Let's see how they taste. All right, our egg is ready. Slide those on the plate. Ooh, that's a crunch.
That's great.
Oh, yeah. All right, enjoy, boo.
Thank you. This is great.
Welcome.